Typical Atlantic, 10:30 a.m.
So the Tinga, German church.
Today is the film shoot for DRB Boys, and the song features Shanks. It's called Selecta. Location 1, where we are right now, is the Atlantic. So right now it's just been sand filled. There's loads of sand. You've got water on the other side. We can be anywhere in the world. It looks like you can be in Iraq, you can be in Dubai, you can be in LA. So it's pretty cool. I love the location. Great weather. Then after that, we're moving on to location number 2, which I'll be telling you about when we get there.
You got me feeling that you're and when you wind up on me, girl, you wanna make me lose my mind. There is no time, yeah. So can I enter Selecta?
Latest member of DRB.
Oh shit.
This time, yeah. I don't even know my name. They haven't given me a name. I just joined today. They haven't given me a name. My name is Scammer.
Chef.
Scammer.
Scammer DRB.
Scammer DRB. Scammer test.
Black tees, gold chains. You know about that life. That gold.
In Gold's hands. I try small.
One DRB video shoot, after all the takes and things, man stressed out, looking to go shower. Wonder why I have my shades on in the dark. It's a superstar thing, you get me? Stunners family.
That video, man, that shit was dope, man. It was like a movie. You know, we shot all the scenes, beach scenes, boat scenes, all the broads, stress giving them all the hands, everything. Pioneered the shot, mad stuff. Shout out to Sesan and Fade and their crew and everything. You know, it was great. Shout out to Shank, came through. Shout out to everyone that came through to book here. You know what's up? We out, man.
Selecta, sexy lady, you got me feeling that you're and when you wind up on me, girl, you wanna make me lose my mind. There is no time.